In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide album in Mi. So if you are using Redmi Xiaomi Mi, then you can easily hide albums on your gallery without using any third-party application. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to hide album on your Xiaomi, the first thing you want to do is open the gallery application and go to album. You may need to create a new album or hide an existing album. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a new album. To create a new album, all you need to do is click on this plus icon, then type in the album name. So let's say we want to set the album name as this. Once you type in the album name, click on OK. Then you'll be prompted to add pictures to the album you just created. So here, I'm going to add this photos to the album. So once you added the photo you want to hide in the album, just go ahead and click on the check mark. Then it's either move or copy. Then let's move this to the new album. Then you can see adding photos. So if you come back to album like this and you scroll down, you should see the album we added. If you open it, you have access to all the photos in the album. Now to hide this album in your Mi, all you need to do is press and hold the album like this. Then tap hide. Then you should see what that says hide selected albums. Go ahead and click on OK. Once you click on the OK button, the album will be hidden from your Mi album. Now to unhide this album from your Mi, all you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right. Now click on settings. Then once you click on settings, come down to browse and select view hidden albums. Then to unhide this, just need to click on unhide. Then from the pop-up, click OK to unhide album and display the album among albums. Then come back to your albums. Here, then you should see the hidden album. So this is how to hide albums on Mi Xiaomi Redmi phone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.